Go to the rug. Good girl. Look at you. Go to the rug. You're trying to figure it out. Go to the rug. Okay, wait. Go to the rug. Okay. Go to the rug. It's not going in there. Go to the rug. 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 Wait. Good girl. Go to the rug. You just gotta figure it out. Good. That was halfway. Go to the rug. No, she didn't catch it. Go to the rug. Sit. Go to the rug. Good girl. Go to the rug. Go to the rug. Good. Good girl. Go to the rug. Good. Go to the rug. Good girl. Go to the rug. Good girl. She's figuring it out. Go to the rug. Good girl.
Yeah, if she just stopped spinning.
Yeah, she's. Go to the rug. Good. Sit. Good. Okay, good job. Go to the rug. Go to the rug. Go to the rug. You're not going to give her one? Go to the rug. See, she's just going over there. She's not. Go to the rug. Good. Go to the rug. Go to the rug and lay down. Good girl! Yay! Go to the rug. Good. Go to the rug and lay down. Yay! Good job. Wait, I'm over here. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Go to the rug. Yes. Sit. Go to the rug. Go to the rug. She is not paying attention. Maggie, go to the rug. Maggie, come. Go to the rug. Sit. Good. Go to the rug. Sit. Good job. Come. Go to the rug. She's got to figure it out by herself. Go to the rug. Lay. Good. Go to the rug. Go to the rug. Come. Go to the rug. Lay. Go to the rug. Go to the rug. Good job. This time I want her to go to the rug and like sit or like. Come. Figure it out. What are you gonna do? Go to the rug. Good job. Go to the rug. Go to the rug. Yes. Good job! She knows it. That's good girl. She lost the kibble. But it's okay. Come. Maggie. Good girl. Go to the rug. Good job. Uh-oh. Alright, let's go right here. Go to red. Go to red. Good job! Yay! Found it. Found it. Yay! Good job. Alright, one more time, just make sure. Alright, I'll give you some more things. Spin. Good. Way. Way, all the way. Good. Go to the right. Oh, good girl.